Alright, so let's create a function to get the total views of an individual channel spread across the videos. So we want to do this in the user model. In here we want to create a function called total views. And in here we want to create a variable called total views, which is going to be basically calculating this video's sum. In this case we want to sum with a closure here. And we just want to return the total views as well. So in this closure, what you want to do is you want to return views. Then we want to get the video, which we're going to pass through in the closure here. And we want to count it. This will then end up giving us the total views of an individual user's channel. So if we head into the channel component here, inside this channel component, I'm going to put through the ability to abbreviate the total channel views. How we do that is basically just call this function here where we get the total views. Basically, by doing that, heading into a channel, you can then see we have 3,000 views, and you can see we have 1,000 views here and 1,000 views here. So that doesn't fully add up. So let's see where this is going wrong. So inside the user function here, we can do this as an inline variable as well. We sum the video count. We return the total amount of views. So if I just go ahead and die-dump on this now, instead, I'm just going to go ahead and get the variable back. This is 3009. Alright, let's take a look at the YouTube clone here inside the videos. We have these two videos here. And we have 3009 count here. So it must be because it's rounding up to about 1.5k. So we aren't specifying that exactly. So it is actually correct. So it's just because this is the individual videos has about 1,500 views each. So let's just go ahead and make this an inline variable again. And we want to have this as a void. No, sorry, as a integer. And there we go. So we now have to count the total amount of views, and to make it distinguishable from the subscriber count, we just want to say subscribers. Then in here we can say str, and then we can put in it as plural views. And we can put through the total views here. So if there was only one view, it would be saying view, and if there was more than one view, it would say views, like that, which is perfect. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.